Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Aneta here and today we are gonna talk about reduce method in JavaScript. Let's get started. The reduce method calls a reducer function on each element in an array and returns a single value as the output of the given calculation. And it looks like that. We have the reduce method with two arguments, which is a callback and the initial value, which is not always necessary. The callback takes four arguments: previous value, current index, and an array, which we are using. And we here return some piece of code. Let's see another example. This time we have an array of strings. And let's try to reduce this one. Let's name it sum of pets. And here we will need this array, which is pets, and reduce method, of course. A, B will be our previous and current value, and we sum this with this calculation. And let's see our sum of pets now. So this is one single string. And let's check another example. This time we have an array of objects with name and age of some people. And we are trying to calculate the sum of people ages. I don't know why somebody will do that, but let's see how old they are together. So we are getting this array, and the reduce method, it takes the callback function as the first argument, and we need to put this second argument, which is the initial value, and it's 0. So here we return the previous value plus the second value, which is the current value, and the age, because we are referring to the age, not the name, but the age. So we have to point that out. And in return we have 125, which is a number. And that was it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.